Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report a video on TikTok. You know TikTok is world popular app, and it's have thousands and thousands videos, and some videos is not desired, so I will show you how you can report that videos. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. So when you go on TikTok and you are scroll to watching a video, and you are find a video is unwanted, you are need to report that video. So the first step is to click on this share button in the right bottom corner of the screen. After that you will go on menu with a lot of tools, and you need to click on this little icon of flag in bottom left corner of the screen. So now you need to select a reason why you reported this video. You have a few options and you need to select the one of why you report this video. Now you need to select more precise reason. WHRN you do that go on this symbol button in the bottom of the screen. Now you can hide content from this account, just simple tap on this button to hide. And when you finish go on done. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.